the Weiler S240 Wheel Skidder emerges as a direct response to the growing demands of the modern forestry industry, a machine engineered to withstand heavy-duty work in regions where mechanized harvesting is not just an option, but a necessity to maintain the productive pace that supports sawmills, pulp factories, and the entire global timber supply chain across vast managed forests, where challenging terrain constantly tests the limits of machines and operators. The S240 stands out as a symbol of strength, reliability, and engineering built for extreme environments. From the very first moments in operation, it becomes clear that the S240 was not created to be just another skid, but a machine capable of redefining the concept of durability, performance, and operating cost. Its Cat C 7.1 engine, a widely respected six-cylinder known for longevity, delivers 203 horsepower certified under the strict Stage 5 emissions standard, proving that raw power can coexist with environmental responsibility, reducing emissions without sacrificing output, ushering in a new era of energy efficiency within the forestry sector. This engine runs at lower RPMs than previous generations, providing significant fuel savings, reduced noise, and extended mechanical life. Paired with its automatic transmission, the S240 eliminates the need for manual shifting, adapting automatically to terrain load, whether climbing steep slopes or pushing through water-saturated soil after heavy rainfall. The S traction engineering reveals its true purpose, delivering total control even in environments where few machines remain operational. The limited slip front axle distributes torque to the wheel that needs it most, while the lockable rear differential ensures both wheels maintain grip, preventing wheel spin that would compromise workflow. Combined with large diameter, heavy-duty tires, the machine achieves the contact and stability required to support its nearly 19-ton mass, allowing the S240 to move forward with firmness, stability, and precision. Even when operators face unstable ground, embankments, narrow valleys, or demanding inclines, the LoadSense hydraulic system adds intelligence to the machine, providing flow only when needed, reducing energy waste and extending hydraulic component life, while allowing the operator to perform simultaneous movements, raising the grapple, closing the arms, turning the skidder, and pushing accumulated logs off with fluidity, smoothness, and immediate response. This results in faster cycles, higher hourly productivity, and reduced operator fatigue as the machine works with the operator rather than against them. Inside the cab, the S240 demonstrates Weiler's commitment to the human being behind the machine. The ergonomics were designed to minimize fatigue during long shifts, offering an air suspension seat, light joystick controls, efficient air conditioning, acoustic insulation, and a pressurized cab that blocks dust and debris, ensuring comfort even in extreme climates. Cab access follows the same philosophy: wide steps, a well-positioned door, and a spacious interior allow operators to enter and exit safely, an essential feature during long workdays with multiple breaks and quick inspections. Visibility is a defining advantage. The narrow sloped hood minimizes blind spots, while the large rear window provides a clear view of the grapple and skid trail, ensuring precise movements and safety when working near ground crews. At the rear, the S240 offers two grapple options to adapt to different forestry environments. The 14.4 square foot box tongue, ideal for compact bundles, and quick maneuvers on sloped terrain, and the 15.7 square foot blade tongue, designed for higher volumes, reducing travel cycles and increasing overall productivity. This flexibility allows the S240 to be effective in both shortwood and longwood operations. Whether in commercial eucalyptus and pine plantations or in mixed and native forests where trunk variability demands constant adaptation, the S240's structural durability reflects one of Weiler S core principles: simplicity that delivers reliability. The redesigned articulation joint features 50% fewer hoses than previous models, drastically reducing the likelihood of hydraulic leaks, one of the most common causes of downtime in heavy forestry operations. The tilting cab allows fast access to critical components for maintenance, inspection, and cleaning, while the front-mounted cooling system improves debris removal, preventing overheating and ensuring better performance in hot, humid, or dusty conditions. Reinforced panels and heavy-duty articulation pins extend the machine's structural life, allowing the S240 to operate for years under severe conditions without compromising integrity. The system also includes a full suite of electronic monitoring, offering precise information on performance, fuel consumption, temperature, and component wear, allowing operators to make informed decisions and managers to maintain tight control over cost per hour. This integration of machine, operator, and management turns the S240 into a complete productivity tool. In the global context, where timber demand is increasing and environmental regulations are becoming stricter, the S240 also stands out for integrating responsible practices into its operation. Its Stage 5 engine, hydraulic optimization, and cleaner combustion system help reduce environmental impact, while its operational efficiency reduces machine time in the forest, minimizing soil compaction and the need for new access trails. In the end, the Weiler S240 is not just a skidder, it is the synthesis of strength, technology, and intelligence applied to forestry work. It represents a new generation of machines that understand that productivity and environmental responsibility go hand in hand, that durability and simplicity can coexist, and that the future of mechanization depends on equipment capable of delivering more with lower costs and less impact in every operation. The S240 makes its purpose clear: transforming natural challenges into measurable results, moving timber safely, efficiently, and sustainably to the landing, day after day, rain after rain, terrain after terrain. Across the forests where it works, the S240 stands not only as a machine, but as an essential partner, an extension of human strength, and a symbol of how engineering can shape the future of the forestry industry.